Claude just dropped a new feature, Claude Code Scheduled Tasks. This runs right in your browser, no desktop app needed. It runs without needing to keep your computer awake. It is like having your own machine on Claude. In this video, I will use it with InsightfulPipe to send a daily performance report to Telegram every morning. First, go to InsightfulPipe connectors and add Google Sheets. Set the permissions to read plus write, then sign in with your Google account. Select the spreadsheet you want Claude to read, then click Save Connection. The Google Sheets connection is saved. Now we need to add Telegram so Claude can send reports to your team channel. To connect Telegram, you need a Telegram API token. Open Telegram and go to Bot Father. Create a new bot. Give your bot a name. Then choose a username that ends in bot. Bot Father creates the bot and gives you the API token. Copy that token. Back in InsightfulPipe, paste the bot token, set the permissions to read plus write, and click Connect. Both connections are ready. Copy the InsightfulPipe MCP server URL. This single URL gives Claude access to both Google Sheets and Telegram. In Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, and add a custom connector. Paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, name it, and click Add. The InsightfulPipe connector is now added. Click Connect to authorize it. Connected successfully. Now go to Claude Code and open the Scheduled section. Click Create Scheduled Task. Name the task and write the prompt. The prompt tells Claude to read the performance sheet every day, analyze yesterday's data including revenue, ad spend, ROAS, and items sold, compare it with the previous day, and send a report with key insights to the Telegram channel. Select InsightfulPipe MCP as the connector. Set the frequency to daily, choose your preferred time, and click Create. The task runs at its scheduled time. Let's see what will happen. Claude connects to the performance sheet through InsightfulPipe, pulls the data for the last 2 days, and starts building the comparison. The report is ready. Sales jumped about 65%. ROAS went from 6.7 to 8.9, and items sold increased 50%. Claude sends the full report to the Telegram channel automatically. Here it is in Telegram, the full daily performance report with revenue, ad spend, efficiency, items sold, and key insights all delivered to your team channel. That is Claude Code Scheduled Task with InsightfulPipe. Set it once, and your team gets a performance report on Telegram every single morning, fully automated.